G'day legends, Craig from Beastie Life here, back with another product review. Today we're pimping up Beastie because we're going to be throwing in these Stedi RGB rock lights. Now these things are the bomb. You place them up underneath your wheel arches and your chassis. They're fully waterproof, dustproof, windproof, you name it proof. They can handle it. Then it's all plug and play back to a Bluetooth controller where we can then use the Stedi app and we can control through Apple or Android up to 16 million different colours that comes out from these lights to see what we're doing. So you might use them for rock hopping in the mud, you could go through sand and water, you name it, it'll handle it. Or even if you're just at the campsite, you're looking for some extra light around there so you can see where you're going, it'll do all that too. So even if you're just looking to be sexy, and I'm dead sexy, this is what you're going to need, all right? So we'll head over to Beastie's Corner, we'll rip it apart, it'll be the techs and the specs and prices and all that jazz that you need to know, and then hang around after that because we're going to be doing a full install on Beastie, and I'll show you how to throw it all in, wire it up and get it working. Okay legends, we're in Beastie's Corner, let's crack it open. So we're going to slide this out. What do we got here? Let's get all this open. One thing about Stedi, they do package their stuff very well. Product user guide. Excellent. There's our rock lights. 6 in total with our, they've just got some protective stickers on them. Oh dear. What's all this? There's a lot going on here. Let's see if we can get to the bottom of it. Right, so that's everything. What have we got? Hardware here. So they come with these plastic mounts and associated hardware. They're a rubber mount, so they'll contort to any angle, which is handy. If you've got a bit of a curved surface, which we might have around the wheel arches and stuff, they'll conform. Then you can put your wire through the side there and will work heaps. So this is handy. So we're going to have 6 of those, obviously associated Steno hardware. We've got some self-tapping screws and some normal screws, and some little recessed washers. So 6 of those, and then our lights. So we've got, like I was saying, it's all plug and play, and she's very well packaged, I will say that. Let's get all these out. Right. Yes, so you'll notice they've all got these 4-pin plugs, can only go one way, plug and play, waterproof, it's the way to go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's our 6 lights. Now they are, 2 of them, they are different lengths. I think it's 2 of them have different lengths. Oh, there you go, it says it on there. 3.5 metres, 5 metres, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, and so 2 5s and 4 3.5s. Now I know they have that because if you are mounting, most people will want to mount their controller at one particular end, and as a result, you'll need the 2 of the furthest away need to have a longer cable span. So here we go, pretty simple here. So this is our adapter, which will allow our input for our 6 lights, and they're really simple plug and play. Can only go in one way. You'll see that there's a little recessed bit on each one, which means it will only go in. You've got your O-ring, they'll go on like that, and here's our little plastic cap here. Screw it on, thanks for coming. That's the same for all 6 lights, and at the other end, this is our Bluetooth controller module. So that's what we'll be receiving. Our signal from our app goes through, and we got our positive negative for our battery through a fuse, and then they give you a supplied on and off switch as well. So I will be having that go somewhere else. I've got a wireless switch. If you haven't seen that, here's a link to that video now up here. But I'm going to be running that through my wireless switch, and then you get a supplied fuse as well. Let's try and open this up. So there you go. It's already fused up with I'm blind, or the 5 amp inline fuse there too. So I'll have my 5 amp fuse in the wireless fuse block. So there you go. So I might just quickly wire this up for you now, guys, and we'll install the app, we'll do all that jazz, and we'll actually light it up and see what it looks like before we go any further. Okay, legends, here we are, all laid out. So I've got the wires. There's the splitter that runs into 6 that's hooked up to every single one of our lights. That runs back through our Bluetooth receiver, which runs through and then goes to our switch, which then goes through to our fuse, a 5 amp fuse, to our positive side of the battery and a negative side of the battery. So that's our connection. Super, super, super easy. I'm just going to put you up here so you can see. And now what I wanted to explain, I went ahead and I did all this on a previous take, and I went through, and here's what happened. Here's a quick view of the video while I do other stuff. Now, the bloody thing started flashing and dulling and going crazy, and as a result, I had to troubleshoot and work it out, and I spoke to Stedi, and we worked out the Bluetooth controller had an issue. So the good people at Stedi have turned around and they organised the new Bluetooth controller for me, which is the one you see here, and it came with an additional pack of lights. So very, very happy, and thank you so much, Stedi, for sorting it out and understanding that I needed a video and I was trying to get something through to you guys. But that is the type of customer service and everything that you get with Stedi. That's why I love them. And Australian operated and owned, you talk to a real person, and it was unreal. So here we are, going to turn on the power at the corner. That's going to light out our power button, which is already on, but we turn that on. Next thing to do, you download your Stedi app, and it will look, there's only one, and it will come up and it will look something like this once it comes up. Right, open it up. Now, for me, it automatically Bluetooth connected. So, but if it doesn't, go in, look for it in your Bluetooth settings, and it's called Trioni's ADF. And as long as that little Bluetooth symbol there is done, you are good to go. So we turn around, and then it's just a matter of hitting the on button. Bluetooth receiver grabs it, boom, on comes the lights. Now, if you have a look at these settings, you turn around and you can grab them and make them the colours that you want. You spin the wheel on the app and they change accordingly. Red, red, whatever you finish your finger on is what you get. So it's just really cool and responsive. I love it. Now they do other features too. If you hit this, you get a flickering effect. You can drag this one down, slow it down. There's your turtle at this end and your hair at this end. Depending on what speed you got is what you got. You want to stop and reset it. It's just a matter of turning the wheel and it will finish on that colour. But we want more. We want it to strobe. We're party people. This is what we want. So strobe, whatever colour it's on, it will strobe on those colours. Yeah? You want something fancier? Go into the star setting, pick the pulsating green, pulsating rainbow.
That's fancy. That's fancy.
So much variation and so on. But what about those rave parties? Boom. Get the music going every time you talk, it responds to what you say. That is cool. Just need to allow access to your microphone and you're good to go. So what do you reckon about that, people? That is unreal. All right, bang, control app, off. Too easy. This is what we love. They make it so simple. Anyone can do it, plug and play. Last thing I wanted to show you, which I didn't quite clarify with these connections, they're so simple. You can't stuff them up because like I said, they only go one way because they've got a little lug, but they have 2 arrows. Arrow, arrow. I don't know if you can see the 2 arrows. Line it up. You can't go wrong. Waterproof seal. Cap. Thanks for coming. Unreal. So, this is just part 1 of this video. It's going to take a lot to get them into BC. We've got to plan it. We've got to do all sorts of stuff. And I have a secret that I want to show you guys in part 2. We're going to modify this a little bit and make it even sexier, if that is even possible.
We are sexy.
But that's what we're going to do. So please subscribe, get that notification so you know when it's coming out. Look out for part 2, and I'll see you guys real soon.